All right, let's make a little cup. Just want to make this into a square. Thanks to Karen Drexler for introducing me to dividers. Wow, love it. I probably could put a blade on that end or a pencil, but I prefer it this way. I can be dangerous with a blade. See? Just missed it by a little bit. All right. Here is the origami cup. C-U-P, cup. Fold a triangle. Pretty side out. All right. This one I had a little mess up right there, so I'm going to fold that in so it doesn't show. So that this piece is now horizontal, parallel with this piece. And I'll fold the other edge in. Same. Sorry if I'm off camera. I tend to look around the camera instead of through it. And then both of these tops fold over. And it opens up. And if this was made of paper, it would actually hold water. Depending on the paper. It could hold it for a long time in multiple uses. Ugh, I'm having trouble keeping this one together here. So one of the other options is you can tuck this flap. Instead of having it on the outside, you can tuck it in there. And that's all right. And this back flap, instead of being on the outside, it could totally go to the inside. So the inside of your cup has a little decoration too. I usually use tweezers for stuff this small, but I didn't think about bringing them to the table. And a video is better than no video. So there's a little origami cup made with a 15mm square of wood textured, W textured metal leather. This is the texture. Here I made a little crane, also from a 15mm square. These little guys develop a memory. So you see his wingspan is his square size. Love y'all. Bye.